Welcome to Let's Go Read, the place where we give parents and families quick top tips to enjoy an amazing book sharing experience. The Terribly Friendly Fox is an exceptional story that will teach your children to pay close attention to the details. So here's our quick top tips for a brilliant reading experience. Our first top tip is to understand the narrator's voice. The mouse who is hosting the party is wonderfully impressed by the fox at first, but the joke is that he doesn't appear to understand why his guests are suddenly disappearing. He is determined to be the ultimate host, and I always imagine that he sounds something like this. I was wearing my new bow tie, quite daring though I do say so myself, but then a quite unexpected guest arrived. Full of charm, good manners and a general excitement, this mouse has no clue what is going on, and it's best if you don't even act along. Give it a go and see how you get on. Our second top tip is all about letting your child be a detective. With your brilliant performance of telling the story as the mouse, your child will soon realise that not everything is quite what it seems. They'll want to start questioning you and stopping you at certain points if they realise what is going on. But then a good idea is to always go back at the end and revisit some of the big clues along the way. And remember to be the ultimate detective.
Imagine it. Every morning a new crime, huh?
Our third and final top tip is all about nailing the fox's voice. Give it a sharp edge and cut it in from the mouse's charming voice. He even raised a toast to new friends. It makes the character jump to life. Your budding little reader will love that transition, so look out for the opportunities to try and do this. That's it from us. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content and to check out our website for our fun book subscriptions for children. But for now, we hope that our top tips have given you the inspiration to turn to your child tonight and say those 3 magic words. Let's go read. Thanks for watching.